Aweh Millionaire. I'm back at it with another Forex high impact news trade. Easy trade. It's one of those in the money, in the bag type of trades. USDCAD on the 15-minute time frame because of high impact news. And as you can see, the trade over here, this is where I entered the trade. This was the stop loss. This was where the target was and where the trade actually closed with a profit at take profit. And I just want to break down for you how this trade unfolded before the news, during the news, and after the high impact news, so that you can take these tips, apply these tricks into your trading, and become a more consistent and profitable trader. And if you do want to become a more consistent and profitable trader, and you want to learn the advanced tips on how to do so, then start now by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. USDCAD, Forex high impact news. Let's get it.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
Before I actually go into the trade itself, okay, I basically wanna, this trade was taken on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this is the time frame that we kill the high impact news on. And I want to take it a step back and show you exactly what I was looking at before the news happened, so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. So this trade was last week, but it's very important that I talk about it because, again, I'm doing these videos so that you guys can learn from this and apply it into your trading. Okay? It's pretty much free tips, free money laying on the internet for you. So anyway, let's just get into that, get into the course of the video. So before the actual news happened, let's start with, again, the infamous volume. I mean, the infamous supply and demand using the volume. So okay, we'll start with this one over there and that one over there. Okay, so 4-hour time frame to basically plot these supply and demand zones. So we'll start on the 4-hour time frame, and then we'll take it to the 15-minute time frame just to make it nice and clean. Okay, nice and clean. See where the smart money is, because that's the whole point of doing this, because we want to see where the smart money is. So okay, so we'll start with the demand zone. The demand zone was right over here, and the supply zone was over there. And again, I'm using the Forex volume in order to help me to identify my supply and demand zones. If you want to learn more about the Forex volume, then click on the I. I've done a video on a beginner's guide to Forex volume. Okay, and watch the video, learn from it, apply it into your trading. So we've got the demand zone over there, we've got the supply zone over there, and this was way before the news even happened. Okay, so this was before the news even happened. Demand zone, supply zone. So now we know where the smart money is highly likely to participate. And that's step number one of anything when it comes to trading like a smart trader. Okay, now we've got the supply zone, got the demand zone, then price, as you can see, unfolded. And before the news actually happened, we can see that price was coming off the supply zone, which was, again, as you can see from that area, price was shooting down from the supply zone, price was moving down, and it was basically moving down, and obviously we already know if price is moving down off the supply zone, the next highly likely area that price is going to test is the demand zone itself. Okay, it's all about supply and demand. That's how trading works. But this was before the news, so price came down, was moving down, was pretty much in what we call no man's land. It wasn't testing the supply, it wasn't testing the demand zone. It was in no man's land before the actual high impact news unfolded, until the news actually happened. And let's actually see what happened when the news came out. So boom, news came out, as you can see right over here. Let's do this. As you can see, a huge ass gap. Okay, the market gapped right from where it was, boom, straight to where? Okay, straight to the demand zone. Okay, and it's no wonder why. Okay, it's not like it just all of a sudden just went there. It's the smart money playing the game. Okay, and as I've said before, as I've mentioned in my other previous videos about high impact news and stuff, it's the banks participate the most when it's fundamental news releases, and as a smart trader we can actually capitalize off these the banks participating. So anyway, price shot down right to the demand zone and tested the demand zone with perfection. And I saw price shoot down, test this demand zone, and now I was just waiting for the price action to confirm when I can enter. So demand zone, price came in and tested the demand zone, and then price action played the game. And all right, with rising volume on that side, so the candle that I got in was on this one as the volume was rising, and simply we can see price test the demand zone. So that was a good indication and my confirmation to look for buying opportunities, and I took the buy. Let's delete this line. I took the buy. As you can see, there's the entry, there was a stop loss, and there was the target, and boom, as you can see, as price tested the demand zone, bounced off and just went straight into profit with ease. And that's how you trade with high impact news. You trade with the smart money and you trade in the direction of the smart money. And it's actually cool to see like what happened after that. So price bounced off the demand zone, went all the way up back to where? The supply zone, to test it, to come back down. And this is very interesting because again, it's the smart money participating. The game is about supply and demand and trading with the banks, and that's how you consistently become profitable in this game and how you can get these easy money in the bag trades. So that's USDCAD, easy trade because of high impact news. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next high impact news analysis, high impact news trade, high impact news easy money profits, and I'm out.
Batman, Batman, Batman.